billionaires. And the other, this guy, about 2 billion. His wife is about 2 billion. They're about 4 or 5 billion together. This guy's 125 billion by himself. This guy right here is the narrative right now. This is the guy that they're now going to focus on and come after to keep your attention right away from things that this guy kind of represents. This guy over here, he'll never be the attention. He'll never be the narrative. They'll never come after him. And I'm going to explain to you guys what the difference is. A lot of you guys are going to say it's race, it's black and white. It's not. It's money. It's always money. You got to understand this guy right here. He's an entrepreneur. He's first generation. The problem with that is he doesn't have a lot of ability to use his money to invest in things that leverage the system, right? It's always about the system. That's what you got to understand. Money is always about what you do with it in regards to how it benefits the system. The system is your hedge. The system is your protection. So you got two choices. You can play the game, right, which these guys always do because they realize they're hedging to protect their interests, whether that be physical interests, whether it be freedom, whether it be life, whether it be business. They take their money, they invest in the system because they know the system is a hedge. If you look at Facebook, if you look at what Nikki's doing, what is Nikki doing? She understands this concept because she knows he's vulnerable, right? Which is why she's coming after him. You understand what I'm saying? She knows he's vulnerable. And what she's doing is she's saying, okay, if the power is with the leverage of the system, then why don't I play that game? It's a system game. And that's what you got to understand. Most people have no idea when you are true to yourself and you got this much resource and it's all about you and only you, and you're never trying to use that resource to better the system that is impacting more people, which being a first generational billionaire, maybe he doesn't have the opportunity to play like this guy. Being black, right, which is why he's a first generational billionaire, right, doesn't give him the ability to play in this space either. So yes, race does have something to do with the ability to access certain levels of protection. But at the end of the day, it's really about protection. This is why your president, right, hasn't been brought up on, hasn't been held accountable. It's because the system by which he supports is very needed on him not being persecuted, not being the narrative in a way that is going to hold him accountable, if that makes sense. So you're going to see a lot of these guys, right? They're going to come back and get that money. They always do because there's no hedge. There's no protection. There's no insurance. It's just you. So we'll lock you up and take the money back. It's that simple. And you see it again and again and again.